Hey everyone, this is Chris from Chris and Cami Photography, and I have an exciting announcement today. I am beginning a trip to Mexico on Trinity, my motorcycle, and I am partnering with my good friend and amazing photographer, Jason Bennett of Docent Prodigy. Hi Jason, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm great,
Cool.
Nice to see you.
Thanks.
So are you going with me?
No.
You're not?
I'm home base. I'm gonna stay back here.
It's a jump cut right there.
That's a cut to that camera. No, speaking of jump cuts, that's what I'm gonna be back at home. You're gonna be sending me the stuff, and I'm gonna be living the adventure on my computer screen as you send it to me.
Oh, so wait a minute. I'm the one that's going to be suffering through the cold and the heat and the sleeping in, bug-infested places, and you're going to be sitting at home editing the video?
Drinking hot tea and probably wishing that I were on the road in bug-infested, hard ground sleeping bags. Yes.
Oh, man.
Yes.
Well, this sounds like a perfect pair up then. It's going to be fun.
As long as you keep sending me good footage, it'll be fun.
All right.
So that's your chore.
That's my job.
That's right.
Okay. So I have to stop and get the drone out and get great footage, even though I just want to keep riding for the day.
That's correct.
Okay,
you have to think of your viewers. They are the important ones.
Oh,
this is not about you, Chris.
The trip isn't about me.
No, this is not about you.
Okay.
This is actually about me.
So this
getting to edit
epic
it.
journey is really basically just for everybody else. It's not for me.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes,
gotcha.
you're finally coming together here. So, what are you to get these interesting things? What are you taking with you, camera-wise?
Oh, that's a good question. It's a good question. I am going to be paring down, but I'm pretty sure I'm taking the D850. The Nikon D850, to me, is like the best jack-of-all-trades camera. I'll be able to use it for shooting wildlife. I'll be able to use it for shooting people. I'll be able to get amazing landscapes and architecture. I'm going to be seeing some old historic mining towns. I'm going to be seeing some amazing butterflies,
right.
following the migration of the monarch butterflies down to the very pinnacle of where they begin their long journey up through North America. I'm going to be stopping at the largest pit cave in the world called the Cave of Swallows. Yeah, so I'm going to be photographing
stuff on.
Oh,
besides your Nikon, that's your stills guy. That's your baby.
That's my baby.
That's your everyday guy, but this one's different. You got to do video now.
Yeah, so we will definitely have some photo tips and things like that along the way, but at the same time, we're going to be doing video. So
cool.
I'm going to have GoPro cameras all over, my Sena Evo on the helmet, my helmet camera.
So you're going to have all kinds of different viewpoints and angles and that we'll be able to enjoy the trip with you.
So it's okay if I send you about 30 hours of footage each night?
Only if you want me to get through it in 30 hours. So the goal here is that during the day Chris is going to ride and he's going to stop and he's going to enjoy the places. And then in the afternoons and in the evening you're going to cull through it and you're going to send it back to me via the internet, and I'm going to do my best to put it together that evening and the next morning and have it out for the people the next day. That's the goal.
I'm exhausted just thinking about it.
It's the goal, yeah. That's the goal. And what are we calling this? The Moto Photo Mexico? Yes.
Did we do that right?
I think so.
We're going to try that one more time. The Moto Photo Mexico adventure.
That's this one. That's right. And how long is it going to take you?
I'm doing 2 weeks. Yep.
Cool.
I'm self-employed. I work for myself as a full-time professional photographer, as do you.
Yes.
So, when I'm not working, I'm losing money. So I got 2 weeks and I got to be back to work money.
Yes. Well, in this particular case, losing the money is definitely worth it.
Okay. I hope
life
so.
experiences, life trips, right?
Yep.
And we're going to try to take all you guys along with us.
So I'll be calling you up going, I'm so tired. Do I really have to cull through all this footage?
Yes, and I need a shot of. You need to go back about 30 miles to give me a shot of.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. Yeah, but it sounds like it's going to be great. It's going to be fun. It's going to be a challenge for both of us.
I'm excited. So tell everybody a little bit about you real quick.
Jason, I'm a professional photographer and videographer. I have my own company doing photo and video. Chris and I work together in photos and stuff, and we have partnered up for this trip. me being the photo support, or the video support, and him actually getting the content this time instead of the other way around.
And you are riding on this amazing motorcycle. What's her name?
I am riding the Zebra. 2011. I rode a lot about 20, 30 years ago back in college, and it took a long hiatus off the bike, and now you got me interested again, and so I had to go spend some money.
Well, very good. And of course, you know, Erica will be joining us in spirit, your wife, and my lovely wife Cammie will be joining us in spirit. So this is going to be fun. Thanks, man. I really appreciate you being a part of this, and we are looking forward to bringing these videos to you guys. You guys stay tuned. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, hit the little bell icon if you want to be reminded each night when Jason does all his hard work and posts each subsequent episode. And we will see you soon.